How to delete one picture from a multiple photo Instagram post. This tutorial shows you how to remove a single photo from a carousel post on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. From there, find the carousel post you want to edit and tap on it to open it. At this point, tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the post to open the options menu. In the next step, tap on Edit to enter the post editor. Following this, you'll now see all the photos in the carousel displayed on the screen. Look at the top right corner of each photo and you'll see a cross or trash icon appear on each one. Once done, tap on the cross or trash icon on the photo you want to remove. From here, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to delete that specific photo from the post. At this stage, tap on Delete to confirm and the photo will be removed from the carousel. Finally, tap Done to save your changes and the post will be updated with the remaining photos. Keep in mind that if you accidentally delete a photo, you can restore it within 30 days by going to Settings, then Account, and then Recently Deleted. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you remove a photo from your post, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.